Hello friends, Sam here. Today I'm taking one question which will be helping to all those people who have taken computer education but somehow they stuck up in non-IT job. Okay, so I was talking to one of the consultant who has completed like BIT, okay, information technology, and that is 8 years back, and then he has taken a job in non-IT roles, maybe coordination and dashboarding and other business role he has taken. And after 8 years, he thought that he wanted to come back to IT. So, my dear friends, yes, you can come back to IT. Okay, of course, after completing computer education, taking the non-IT role, that was mistake, no doubt about that, but that can be corrected, right? So what you can do, in case if you want to leverage the experience, whatever you have, whatever non-IT business experience you have, then the best product I will suggest for you is Salesforce. So Salesforce is CRM, customer relationship management product, and it is like more of business side of the IT industry, right? Customer facing product it is. So whatever your non-IT experience is there, that is very much useful whenever you jump into Salesforce. Okay, so you can target Salesforce business analyst role. So your IT degree, so whatever degree you have completed, that and your non-IT domain knowledge, that can be blended together to crack the business analyst role in Salesforce. So your job will be to interact with the customer, maybe from your own non-IT domain, maybe as you are already having business side of experience and all, that will be very good for you to interact with customer. Then you can get the requirement from the customer and pass it on to your delivery team. That will be your job as business analyst in Salesforce. Okay, of course, depending on your non-IT experience, I have to design the roadmap for you, that how you can transition to the Salesforce, and then you should jump into Salesforce learning. So if you feel that I can help you uh, to transform you from non-IT domain into IT domain, or really do the transition for you from non-IT job into IT job, then ping me. So below this video somewhere, my contact details will be there, or you can just comment here, and my team will give you my contact number. Ping me on WhatsApp, and definitely we can touch base, and I can create a roadmap for you, and that will be very helpful to you. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. One thing to share is that I started free video series on Tibco, Salesforce and Mulesoft. So idea is delivering one power pack video every single week to your WhatsApp. So below this video somewhere, the registration link might be there. Go there and register and take advantage of that. If you want to take help from my side, then get into call with me for 20 minutes, ping me and schedule for that. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.